Bitcoin, the wildest ride in finance. One day it's breaking records and setting the world on fire. The next it's plummeting into a sea of uncertainty, hype, fear, and the promise of new all time highs are diving millions to ask, is now the moment to jump in, or is this just another crash waiting to happen? Today we break down the choice that is Bitcoin, the reason behind its massive fluctuations, and if Bitcoin next move will be its biggest yet, will we see a new high, or is another crash looming? Bitcoin's story is a tale of extreme highs and hurts, stopping lows from its humble beginnings in 2009 to becoming the most recognized digital currency in the world. Bitcoin has experienced it all. It has been called everything from a bubble to digital gold, and through it all, its price has swung wildly. But what makes it this roller coaster so intense? Bitcoin early years 2009 2010 with minimal value, and then the rapid rise toward $1,000 in 2023 2013, followed by the infamous 2017 boom where Bitcoin hit $2,000 $20,000 before crashing down. In 2017, Bitcoin hit its first major milestone to $20,000. The high was palpable. Media outlets were calling it the future of money, and new investors were flooding in with the hope of cashing in. But the Europea didn't last long. By 2018, Bitcoin had lost over 80% of its value, crashing to below $3,000. The world was in a panic mode, with money declaring the end of Bitcoin. Yet every crash has been followed by a rebound. Forward to 2021, a year that marked Bitcoin's second major breakout, with institutional interest growing and a surge in mainstream adoption. Bitcoin set a new all-time high of $69,000. But here's the real kicker. Bitcoin price may have crashed again in 2022, but the conversation around Bitcoin has shifted. It's not just about price anymore. It's about a revolution in money, finance, and the way we view value in the digital age. Now, Bitcoin is back on the radar, uh, and the question everyone is asking is, where are we headed next? So, what's driving Bitcoin revival? Why is it heating up again after such a dramatic crash? Well, there are several powerful forces at play here: institutional interest and the Wall Street innovations. First up, institutional invest. When Bitcoin first gained traction, it was primarily driven by retail investors and tech enthusiasts. However, over the past few years, some of the biggest names in finance have entered the fray. Let's talk about BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. BlackRock has been actively applying for Bitcoin ETFs, and this move alone could bring billions of dollars into the Bitcoin market. The same goes for Fidelity, one of the biggest players in investment management, which has recently launched Bitcoin investment products. As these giants enter the market, Bitcoin is gradually shifting from a fringe investment to something that institutional investors are embracing. Why does this market simple? With institutional investors come stability. Bitcoin has been known for its wild swing. The influx of large institutions could lead to more long-term stability and less volatility. volatility, making it more attractive to serious investors. Second, the 2024 Bitcoin halving. Next, we have the Bitcoin halving. For those of you unfamiliar with the term, every 4 years, the reward that Bitcoin miners receive or validating transitions is cut in half. This reduces the rate at which new Bitcoin is created, and historically, it has a, had it has had a massive impact on price. The next halving event is set for 2024, and money analysts are predicting that this could set the stage for another major Bitcoin price surge. Why? As the supply of new Bitcoin decreases but demand continues to rise, basic economics suggestions that the price will likely go up historical after every halving Bitcoin's price.